The environment consists of many ecosystems. The environment consists of many ecosystems. A pond is a small ecosystem, whereas the earth is the largest ecosystem. Environmental balance is maintained through continuous operation of various natural cycles like water cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, etc., and also due to various food chains of the ecosystem. Human existence is totally impossible without the existence of nature. Hence, it is basic responsibility of human beings to preserve the nature without disturbing its balance. It is said that we have got this earth planet on lease from our future generations and not as an ancestral property from our ancestors. Hence, we should not forget to conserve it for ourselves and for future generations. Environmental conservation, our social responsibility. Humans have selfishly exploited natural resources, leading to environmental imbalance. It is only human beings that can conserve and improve the quality of nature.
We all hate dirty, smelly landfills full of trash. But do we know where trash comes from? Of course, it's us humans who create it. Each can we throw away, each plastic bag we use, each bottle we fail to recycle, all goes towards creating that dump in the landfill. Let's go on a journey with Katie and her friends to find out more. Welcome to the course on environmental conservation. Towering landfills, smelly rivers and lakes, global warming, sick animals, dying trees. Trash. It's hard to miss, right? It's everywhere, and it's making animals, birds, plants, and even us sick. It's even making the climate change. We have to make sure that we help save limited resources, such as water and energy. We have to protect animals and plants from polluted lands and rivers. We have to decrease harmful gases in the air and prevent landfills. Humans are the cause, and humans will have to try and stop this pollution. This course will tell you why you should be concerned about trash and what we can do to care for the earth. Meet Katie. She's in the 3rd grade at Riverbend Elementary School. She lives with her mom and dad near a bayou in New Orleans. Bayous are slow-moving bodies of water. Katie's dad, John, is an ecologist. She wants to be just like him when she grows up. John sometimes takes Katie along when he goes down the bayou in his boat to collect samples of water, plants, and animal life. Katie loves the birds and animals that live in and around the bayou. She's good friends with Freddie, a bullfrog, Izzy, a great blue heron, and Gina, a fan-tailed guppy. Katie and her dad are a little worried nowadays. Many birds and animals are mysteriously dying on the bayou. Katie wants to find out what's wrong before it's too late. Let's help her out. Katie decides to meet her bayou friends one afternoon after school. She finds the 3 of them looking sad.
Hey guys, what's up? Why do you all look so worried?
We are in deep trouble. Yeah, we were wondering if your dad can help us.
I'm sure he will, but first, tell me what this is all about.
Oh, Katie, our home is in danger, and so are we.
What? How?
Katie's friends take her downriver to the place where they live. She is shocked to see the state of the bayou.
Oh no! Where did all this trash come from?
We don't know. Since last month, the garbage trucks have been coming over every day and dumping trash into the pit over there.
Katie, this is making us sick. Sometimes I can't even breathe.
My skin burns sometimes and dries up, and recently we've had a few abnormal tadpoles born as well.
Yeah, and I can't find enough food. All the fish and plants are dying. I may have to look for a new home. My babies are getting sick all the time.
A worried Katie rushes home to her dad.
Dad, we have to help save the bayou.
I know, Katie. We're trying to make the city authorities understand.
Where did all this trash come from, Dad?
Katie, it's humans who create all the trash you saw down there.
How?
Think about it. Every time you drink from a can of soda, where does it go?
Into the trash can. Oh, I get it. The garbage trucks collect all our trash and dump them into the bayou.
Katie and her dad go down to the bayou. John tells his daughter about the different kinds of pollutants in the trash. Click the highlighted items to learn more. Every year, around 500 billion plastic bags are used worldwide. Single-use bags are a waste of trees, paper, or fossil fuels, plastic. Single-use bags take around 300 years to photodegrade. They contribute to water pollution during production and landfill overload after disposal. Reusable cloth or paper bags reduce these problems. As many as 40 billion aluminum soda cans and bottles are thrown in the trash every year. Aluminum comes from a natural ore called bauxite. Recycling a soda can saves 96% of the energy used to make a can from ore. Scary fact. Placed end to end, these soda cans in the trash can reach the moon and back 20 times. Roughly 29 billion water bottles are manufactured each year, using over 17 million barrels of crude oil. That's enough oil to keep 1 million cars running for 12 months. We use 4 million plastic bottles every hour, yet only 1 bottle out of 4 is recycled. Recycling 1 plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours. About 1/3 of an average landfill is made up of packaging material. The U.S. population alone discards 16 billion diapers, 1.6 billion pens, 2 billion razor blades, 220 million car tires each year, and enough aluminum to rebuild the U.S. commercial air fleet 4 times over. Almost 31% of our total generated waste is paper. 1 ton of paper requires the use of 98 tons of various resources. Paper made from recycled paper requires 70% less energy. Scary fact. Not even 75% of a tree harvested for paper winds up as paper product. Around 500,000 trees are cut down to produce each week's Sunday newspapers. Glass never wears out. It can